Hello all, this is Rama. I am going to present Inquire App today. Inquire App is a application built for iPad. Inquire provides us a new and intelligent way of studying research documents. Inquire App has got a backend component called Aura. Aura is a knowledge representation and reasoning system which is built using natural language processing and artificial intelligence technologies. So, Inquire App can understand human readable questions and answer based on the data present in the database. And Inquire App has got 4 major features, namely their glossary links, question answering system, highlighted notes, suggested questions. To go over each of these components, I am going to jump into Inquire App application. To do that, we need to click on the Inquire icon present on the iPad. When we click on Inquire App, it shows us the most recently read document. To go into the main menu, we need to click on menu icon present on the left bar. When we click on it, it takes us to the content section, which is a kind of index of the application, where in this case we have banking and glossary links. Banking folder contains all the documents present for the banks, and glossary folder contains all the summary files present for the documents. Now to go over the glossary links section, we need to go into a document, and then I'm going to present how it works. So here in this case I'm going to Berkeley's Capital and opening the document. In this document we will find some highlighted text. So here I found a highlighted underlined text called Berkeley's Capital. When I click on this underlined text, it shows us a summary of the glossary document. If I would like to read the total content of this document, I need to click on More link. When I click on More link, it opens up the glossary file. Not only the company name, we can even highlight or give a glossary link to any word or any sentence in this document. That ends the glossary link section, and now I am going to jump into question answering section. To do that, I need to click on magnifying glass icon present on the left menu. When I click on it, it gives us a text box to put our question. In this case, I am going to ask what is the revenue of Credit Suisse. After typing the question, we need to click on Inquire button on the right side. Once the button is clicked, the question is posed to our server and response came back, and we are seeing the response on the UI. In the UI, we can see the revenues of Credit Suisse from 2009 to 2012, which is present in the database. And it even pulled out some of the links and the articles present in the database. Not only that, in the media section, it shows us the thumbnails, which actually can be expanded by clicking on the thumbnail. We can expand the thumbnail and see the graph here. The second thumbnail is a table, and it shows us the income and revenue of the bank. So system even suggests some related questions. When we click on these related questions, it takes us to the answers which are present in the database. So that ends the question and answering section. Now we can go over the highlight text and suggested questions section. To do that, we need to go into main menu and go into a document. In this case, I am going to Credit Suisse document, and I can highlight any of the paragraphs present in here. So to do that, I need to click on the pen icon present on the left bar, and highlight the text. As soon as the highlighting is done, system suggested like 5-6 questions here, and I can write some notes here for the future reference, or I can click on any of these suggested questions and get the answer and go over it. This is all about Inquire app. Have a good day. Bye. Thank you.